Once upon a time, in the magical kingdom of Glimmerwood, there lived a beautiful little princess named Barbie. Glimmerwood was a land of wonder, where sparkling rivers meandered through enchanted forests and vibrant meadows. The air was always filled with the scent of blooming flowers, and the skies were painted with the hues of dawn and dusk. Princess Barbie lived in a grand castle atop a hill, overlooking the kingdom. The castle was made of shimmering stones that glowed in the sunlight, and its tall towers seemed to touch the clouds. Inside, the castle was filled with warmth and laughter, for Barbie was a kind and gentle princess who was loved by all. From a young age, Barbie had shown a deep love for her kingdom and its people. She spent her days exploring the lands, talking to the villagers, and learning about their lives. She was always ready to lend a helping hand, whether it was mending a broken toy, helping to plant a garden, or simply offering a kind word. Barbie had a special friend in the castle, the unicorn named Sparkle. Sparkle was a magnificent creature with a silvery mane and a horn that glowed with a soft, magical light. The two were inseparable, and together they would go on many adventures, exploring the hidden corners of Glimmerwood. One day, as Barbie and Sparkle were playing near the edge of the enchanted forest, they heard a faint cry for help. Following the sound, they came across a tiny fairy named Twinkle. Twinkle was trapped under a fallen branch, her delicate wings fluttering weakly. Barbie and Sparkle quickly freed Twinkle and tended to her injuries. The grateful fairy explained that she had been on her way to deliver an important message to the fairy queen when she was caught in a sudden storm. Barbie offered to help Twinkle complete her journey, and together they set off deeper into the enchanted forest. As they traveled, Twinkle told Barbie about the fairy queen's predicament. An evil sorcerer named Malvolio had stolen the queen's magical scepter, a powerful artifact that maintained the balance of magic in Glimmerwood. Without it, the kingdom was in danger of falling into darkness. Determined to help, Barbie and Sparkle agreed to accompany Twinkle to the fairy queen's palace. The journey was long and filled with challenges, but Barbie's courage and kindness guided them through. They crossed treacherous rivers, navigated dark caves, and faced fierce creatures, all while maintaining hope and determination. Finally, they arrived at the fairy queen's palace, a stunning structure made of crystal and light. The fairy queen, a regal figure with wings that shimmered like rainbows, welcomed them and listened to their tale. She was deeply moved by Barbie's bravery and kindness and granted her a blessing of protection. With the fairy queen's blessing, Barbie, Sparkle, and Twinkle set out to find Malvolio and retrieve the stolen scepter. They followed clues and rumors, leading them to a dark and foreboding castle hidden in the mountains. The castle was surrounded by thorny vines and guarded by fearsome creatures. Using her wits and the fairy queen's blessing, Barbie managed to sneak into the castle. She found Malvolio in a dark chamber, gloating over the stolen scepter. Barbie confronted the sorcerer, standing tall and fearless despite his dark magic. She spoke of the love and light in Glimmerwood and the power of kindness and courage. Malvolio, taken aback by Barbie's resolve, attempted to cast a spell on her. But the story doesn't end here. Barbie's adventures continued, and every new day in Glimmerwood brought with it a new challenge, a new mystery, or a new friend. The Great Harvest Festival. One bright autumn day, as the leaves turned golden and the air became crisp, Glimmerwood prepared for its annual Harvest Festival. This was a time of great joy, where the entire kingdom came together to celebrate the bounty of the land. The castle was decorated with garlands of autumn leaves, and the courtyard was filled with stalls selling delicious foods, handmade crafts, and vibrant clothing. Barbie and Sparkle helped with the preparations, ensuring everything was perfect for the festival. They visited the farmers in the fields, helped bake pies in the village bakery, and even tried their hand at weaving wreaths of flowers and leaves. As the festival began, people from all over Glimmerwood gathered in the castle courtyard. There were games and contests, music and dancing, and an abundance of food. Barbie, dressed in a beautiful gown adorned with autumn leaves, greeted everyone with warmth and kindness. In the midst of the celebrations, a young girl named Lila approached Barbie with a worried look on her face. She told Barbie that her family's farm, which supplied the village with the finest pumpkins, had been plagued by a mysterious blight. The pumpkins were turning black and rotting on the vines. Barbie, always ready to help, promised Lila that she would do everything she could to save the farm. She and Sparkle set off at once, with Lila leading the way. When they arrived at the farm, Barbie saw the extent of the damage. The once vibrant pumpkin patch was now a sea of withered vines and rotting fruit. Barbie knelt by one of the affected plants and examined it closely. She noticed a faint, dark mist lingering around the vines. It was clear that this was no ordinary blight. Barbie decided to seek the advice of the wise old owl, Eldrin, who lived in the ancient oak tree at the heart of the enchanted forest. Eldrin was known for his vast knowledge of the natural and magical world. Barbie, Sparkle, and Lila made their way to the oak tree and found Eldrin perched on a low branch, his wise eyes gleaming in the twilight. Eldrin, Barbie said respectfully, "We need your help. The pumpkins in Lila's farm are dying from a strange blight. Can you tell us what it is and how to stop it?" Eldrin studied the sample of the blackened pumpkin vine that Barbie showed him. After a moment, he hooted softly and said, "This is the work of the shadow sprites. They are mischievous creatures that thrive on chaos and decay. They must be driven away before the farm can heal." Barbie thanked Eldrin and asked how they could drive the sprites away. Eldrin explained that shadow sprites feared the light of the moonflower, a rare plant that bloomed only under the full moon. They needed to find a moonflower and use its light to chase away the sprites. Determined to save the farm, Barbie and her friends set off on a new adventure. They traveled through the enchanted forest, braving the gathering darkness and the eerie sounds of the night. Sparkle's glowing horn lit their way as they searched for the elusive moonflower.